Hello everyone. When an earthquake hits, knowing the right way to protect yourself is crucial. Here are 33 tips aimed at helping you ensure the safety of yourself and your family during such event. First, recognize early signs. Often there may not be noticeable signs, but stay aware of any warnings. Second, have an emergency plan. Make sure every family member knows what to do. Discuss where the emergency supplies are and safe spots in the house. Three, third, prepare an emergency kit. Include water, high-calorie food, flashlights, extra batteries, a radio, a first aid kit, and a thermal blanket for warmth. 4. Secure furniture. Fasten heavy furniture to the walls to prevent it from tipping over. Don't skip this, it's important for safety. 5. DCH means drop, cover, hold. Drop to the ground, find cover, and hold on to something sturdy. 6. Identify safe spots. Know the difference between load-bearing and non-load-bearing walls. Load-bearing ones are safer during earthquakes. 7. Learn to use basic tools. Familiarize yourself with tools like Swiss Army knives or multifunctional pliers. Knowing how to use them can be life-saving. 8. Avoid elevators. Always use stairs during an earthquake. Elevators may malfunction. 9. Keep exits clear. Ensure that passes to exist and the stairways are free of obstacles. 10. Know how to shut off utilities. Learn to turn off gas, water, and electricity to prevent further hazards. 11. Keep communication devices charged. Always have your phone charged and ready. Keep a backup power source in your emergency kit. 12. Practice with family. Regularly discuss and practice emergency plans with your family. 13. Stay close to interior walls. These are generally safer and more structurally sound. 14. Stay calm and protect your head. Keeping a cool head and protecting your head and the neck is paramount. Better to sustain injuries elsewhere. 15. If outdoors, stay away from buildings. Keep distance from buildings, street lights, and the utility poles. 16. If driving, stop safely. Avoid stopping under bridges, near street lights, or in tunnels if possible. 17. Follow official instructions. Always heed advice and directives from authorities. 18. Assess your surroundings. Be cautious of unstable structures and avoid them. 19. Signal for help if trapped. Use a whistle or knock on pipes to make noise if you are trapped. 20. Stay away from water bodies. Post-earthquake, there is a risk of tsunamis or flooding. 21. Wear protective clothing. Ensure you have sturdy shoes and protective clothing to prevent injury from debris. 22. Emergency contact information. Keep a list of emergency contacts readily accessible in your phone. 22. Don't attempt rescues without ensuring your safety. Your safety comes first. Help others only when it's safe for you to do so. 23. Be prepared for aftershocks. Secondary disasters like landslides, fires, or floods can follow. Be vigilant. 24. Learn basic first aid. Knowing how to treat injuries or embolize fractures can be invaluable. 24. Beware of chemical leaks. In certain areas, be cautious of chemical spills and protect your respiratory tract if necessary. 25. Ensure clean drinking water. Use filtered or boiled water if there's a risk of contamination. 26. Document everything post-disaster. Keep a record of damages, important belongings, and any signs of life you might encounter. 33. These tips are meant to guide you before, during, and after an earthquake. However, they do not replace professional advice. Always follow the instructions of experts and authorities. Stay safe and healthy, everyone.